Few days back, I made a video about perfect system, or rather the illusion of one. And I said one simple thing, that you can't expect a change in your life by just following someone else's path. You have to build your own system piece by piece through failure, learning, and refining over the time. So today I want to talk about something as important, something that comes before you start building your own system. I want to talk about clarity. Most people move through life with just rough idea in their brain. They want success, but the problem is blurry. And here is the thing, when the problem is blurry, the solution is weak. You can't build a working system when you don't know what you are trying to fix. Before you build habits, routine, or system, just ask yourself, what is the real issue here? What outcomes am I want to achieve? What's standing in my way to achieve my goals? The clearer your problem is, the more powerful your solution becomes, because defining the problem is half the solution. Now, this does not mean you need someone to hand you all the answers on the silver platter. No one is coming to save you. But this is important. You need someone to guide you, a mentor, a perspective, a map. Not to walk for you on the path you have to, but to help you ask better questions, to show you how to think, not what to think. The right kind of advice will not give you all the answers you need, but it will give you the better direction. It will tell you in which direction you can find your answers. That's why it's okay to learn from the people who are ahead of you. Just do not copy their system and expect their results. Instead, look at what principles they are applying. Use those principles to build your own version. For example, if someone tells you that wealth is created by solving problems, creating offers, learning how to sell, that's great. But still, you need to figure out, what problems do I solve? Who do I solve them for? How do I structure it? What do I build around that? This principle does not just apply to business, it applies to health, relationships, learning, and everything. Someone might tell you, eat proteins, track your sleep, lift weights, but you still need to figure out what meals work for you, when to train, how your body responds to different habits. Every system or routine in your life must reflect your context, your schedule, your energy, your responsibilities. And it does not stop once you figure it out, because your life changes and your system has to change with it. Again, you don't need a perfect system, you need a working system, a system that you can understand, the system you can fix when it breaks. That's how you can succeed. Not by copying others, but building your own thing, building your own routine or system, and keep improving it with the time. The world will change, trends will shift, but your ability to rebuild and adapt, that's what makes you unique. Nobody else can do that for you. So, build your system step by step, piece by piece, and experiment with all the effort you have to create a system, a working system that only fits in your life.